In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks Online effectively, focusing on the customers and leads section. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to streamline your current process, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to follow. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to QuickBooks. Open your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice various options designed to help manage your business finances. Our focus today is specifically on managing customers and their related data. Once you're logged in, look for the Customers and Leads section. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage your customer database effectively. Click on Customers and Leads to open up a more detailed view. This area will display all your current customers and potential leads, making it easier for you to oversee and grow your network. After you've clicked on Customers and Leads, you'll notice certain features that can help highlight specific data points. You'll want to click on the Highlight option, which is key in drawing attention to important customer information or changes that may have occurred. This feature can help you focus on what's crucial for your business operations, making it a handy tool for both small updates and large-scale audits. Next, head to the Overview section by clicking on Overview. This section provides a comprehensive summary of where things currently stand with your customers. The overview is incredibly useful for getting a quick snapshot of your operations, so be sure to use it as part of your regular routine. Moving on, you'll find a section labeled Customers Funnel. By clicking on this, you'll gain insight into how many leads are converting into paying customers. It lays out the customer journey in stages, helping you identify where improvements might be necessary to optimize conversions further. Next up, you'll want to check out Overdue Invoices. This section is critical as it informs you about transactions that require immediate attention. By clicking into it, you can review who owes you money and for how long payments have been overdue, enabling you to take timely actions. Afterward, it's time to click on Open Estimates. This section shows all the estimates you have sent out that have not yet been converted into invoices. It's an essential part of managing potential sales, allowing you to track the progress of these estimates easily. Finally, don't forget to glance at the Tasks. This section is meant for tracking various business tasks related to your customers. Clicking on it provides a checklist of things to do, which can be updated regularly to fit your workflow needs better. Remember, navigating QuickBooks efficiently can significantly improve how you manage customer relationships, keep tracks of payments, and stay organized. Practice these steps, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!